how to make the shift from me to no one. Hey Levi, how to make that shift. First of all, you have to see that everything is appearing from the infinite. So that person that wants to shift from being someone to being no one, you have to see that that personality structure, everything you believe yourself to be, is appearing and disappearing in exact same way as the sun appears, as the room appears, as the wall appears, as the sofa appears. So you have to see that it's all coming from this infinite presence. And you also have to see that what's always here is this infinite presence, this empty looking, and this I am. And the person is something that comes and goes in that. And time is something that comes and goes in that. And space is a construct of the mind, not an actuality. This conscious presence is this infinite stillness in which everything appears and disappears in. The ideas, the thoughts of you, your past. And it's so blissful, so beautiful. So that has to be recognized. What also has to be recognized on the human level, this is something for the human, is that what you look for is that. You're looking for home, which is this stillness, which is this moment. And that the seeking energy that comes up, that's trying to avoid fear and get to love, so that's seeking, isn't what you look for. So that fear that's always trying to look after its survival, make sure it's safe, make sure it has enough money, that's always acting out of fear, and that energy that's always looking for love, trying to get to love, you have to see that that's not true. That you don't get what you want from acting from that place, from seeking in time. You never get freedom from a thing in time, from obtaining the Nobel Peace Award, or traveling the world, or writing your biography. That your freedom is in what's happening, so there has to be a remembering of that. Then, on the next thing on the human level, is you have to settle it down. So the human has fallen into lots of lies. The first lie is it exists separately, it has free will, has choice, and it's moving through this world separately. And so you have to settle the person down, because those thoughts and those belief patterns have made an uncomfortable experience for the person, because it's living a lie. So whenever you live a lie, it's uncomfortable for the body. You can feel it. Whenever you're in a social situation and you don't say what you want to say, your body begins to hurt. When you're faking things, your body begins to hurt. You have to be authentically yourself. But most people don't know what that is, because they're so wrapped up in the lie of themselves, in this image they want to hold, that they're Superman, that they're better than the other person, that they've got more money than the other person, that they're more successful, that they're this, they're that, they're kind, they're generous. And you're not any of those things. You're this expression that's happening in the moment. And you've got to come back to following that love that's appearing in this moment. Not this idea of yourself, not constantly trying to reinforce this idea of yourself in time and get things in time and find freedom in time. So that's what you've got to do.